Hello students, welcome back to our journey where we learn about AI or Artificial Intelligence. I am Pradeep, your teacher and friend, and together we will learn new things today. In the last chapter, we learned how AI is all around us. In different ways, it has become a part of our lives. Today, we will learn about something new and very important: ethics in AI. Imagine you have a smart robot friend named Buddy. It is trained to follow your every command. It can do a lot of things to help you: drive you to school, play with you, prepare you for school tests. One day, you wake up late and you remember that you didn't do your science homework. You say, "Buddy, please quickly do my homework." Buddy does not question you at all and does your homework quickly. You go to school and happily submit your homework. The teacher does not find out. Your friends also don't find out. But you still feel bad. Why? Because you know it is not right when someone else does your homework. It is not really helping you. If you don't do your homework, you will not learn and get better at things. But Buddy did exactly what you said without thinking whether it is right or wrong. It just followed your command, like always. This is where understanding of ethics come in. Because without ethics, even the smartest AI can make bad choices. What are ethics? Ethics. This word may sound complicated, but it is actually very simple. Ethics means knowing the difference between what is right and what is wrong, and choosing the right thing to do. It is like an invisible set of rules that lives in our heart and mind. These rules are not always written like school rules, but they guide us in daily life. Imagine you buy some groceries at the shop. You pay the shopkeeper 100 rupees and he needed to give you 50 rupees as change. But by mistake, he gives you 100 rupees. No one except you knows that he gave you extra money. If you honestly tell the shopkeeper, "Oh, you gave me extra money," then you are following ethics. Ethics is all about being fair and honest, even when no one is watching. Let me ask you something. Can you remember a time when you had to choose between what was easy and what was right? What did you choose? And why? Think about it. Maybe you told your teacher honestly that you didn't do homework rather than lying. Or you decided to share your umbrella with a friend in the rain. Or you picked up litter in the school playground even if it is not yours. Very good. You are all ethical students. Can you name some ethical values? Punctuality, kindness, fairness, respect. I heard someone say honesty at the back. Yes, you are right. Honesty. Very good. Now you must be wondering What does ethics mean when we talk about artificial intelligence? When we talk about ethics in artificial intelligence, we are really talking about two things: ethics in making AI and ethics in how AI works. This means companies, scientists, and the governments should follow good and fair ways when they make AI. Ethics in how AI works. This means that when people like us use AI, AI should make choices that are fair and good for everyone. Why are ethics important in AI? Today, it is very important that AI is able to understand human values or ethics. That is, what is right and what is wrong. Because AI or artificial intelligence is now a part of our daily lives. It helps us with many things. In earlier videos, we learned that AI works quietly, even when we don't notice. It shows you the shortest way to school, gives you YouTube suggestions, tells farmers about the weather, and helps doctors check X-ray pictures. Imagine when AI was made to help with selection of students for a state scholarship, and the data used to train this AI was of students who got the scholarship before. AI sees that more students who won the scholarship before were from a town called Nagpur. Now AI keeps this pattern in mind. So finally, when AI does the selection from among thousands of students, it removes the students from other towns and chooses students only from Nagpur, even if students from other towns had better marks. Does this sound ethical? No. And would this be for the benefit of everyone? No. When AI is used for something small, like suggesting a movie, the risk is low. If it gets it wrong, you might just watch a boring film. But when AI is used for big decisions, like finding a medical problem, driving a car without a driver on a busy road, or choosing a treatment for a patient, a wrong choice can have serious results. So it is important that AI is taught the right values and given the right data so it can stay helpful, fair, and safe for everyone. Ethical concerns with AI. AI can be extremely powerful, but with great power comes great responsibility. When we use AI without thinking carefully about ethics, some problems can arise. Here are 5 of the most important concerns people have about AI. Fairness and bias. What is fairness? Fairness means treating everyone the same and giving everyone the same chance. no matter who they are, where they live, or what they look like. If an AI is fair, it does not choose favorites based on personal details that should not matter, like someone's skin color, language, age, or gender. Fairness in AI is important because people trust that decisions are made based on a skill. If people think an AI system is unfair, they will stop trusting it, even if it is accurate in other ways. Now, what is bias? Bias means acting in a way that benefits one side more than the other. In AI, bias can happen when the computer has learned from examples that are very less in number or less in variety. It is not that the AI is being mean. It is that it learned from data that showed qualities of a small group of people, so it does not understand or treat everyone in the same way. For example, imagine you only read books about cats. Then one day, someone asks you about dogs. You might not know much about them, so your answers would not be very good. This is what happens when AI is trained with only one kind of examples. It will not work equally well for everyone. So fairness and bias are connected. If we remove bias, we will be able to treat everyone in a fair and equal way. Imagine a school uses AI to choose students for a state level debate competition. If the AI is told to select students only by looking at marks in English, it might ignore students who speak very well but have lower marks in written exams. This would not be fair. Because debate skills are not only about writing, they are also about thinking quickly, speaking clearly, and convincing the people who are listening. Bias can happen when data is missing. If an AI is trained mostly on information from big cities, it may give wrong or unhelpful suggestions for farmers in rural areas. This is because it has not learned enough about village life, the different types of soil, or the patterns of growing crops in villages. So, to keep AI fair and reduce bias, it is necessary to train AI with examples from different groups of people, places, and situations. Only then can the AI's knowledge be complete and something that people can trust. Privacy and data protection. Have you ever written a secret in a diary or a notebook? I heard someone say yes at the back. Okay, it is yours and it belongs only to you. You write your own personal information in it. You would not want just anyone to open it and read it, right? In the online world, your diary is your personal information. Your name, where you live, the photos you take, even the questions you ask on Google. Privacy means keeping your personal information safe so that only you decide when it should be shared or opened. Accountability in AI means that when AI makes a mistake or causes a problem, we should know exactly who is responsible. Think of it like this. If a football breaks a window, people will ask, who kicked the ball? They will not blame the ball itself. They will find out which player kicked it and talk to that player. But with AI, it is sometimes hard to know who is responsible when something goes wrong. If you ask Google Maps for the way to an ice cream shop and it takes you to the wrong place, whose fault is it? Is it your fault for following the map without checking? Is it the AI's fault for showing the wrong place? Is it the shop owner's fault for not putting their right location online? Or is it the fault of Google Maps? Without clear accountability, mistakes may not get fixed, and people could be treated unfairly without anyone taking the responsibility. That is why AI needs clear rules so that humans stay responsible for its actions, not just the technology itself. Employment. People may work in many different places: schools, offices, farms, and more. Each job is important in its own way. Now, in many of these places, artificial intelligence is starting to play a role too. In some supermarkets, there are self-checkout machines where you scan your items and pay without speaking to a cashier. In offices, AI chatbots can answer simple customer questions at any time of the day. This sounds very efficient, and yes, it is. But there is also something important to think about. If AI takes over too many tasks, some people may lose their jobs. This is where ethics step in, like a referee saying, wait a minute, let us play fair and without any bias. Ethical AI should look for ways to help humans with their jobs and not replace them. For example, in a shop, some customers may like talking to a cashier. The shop can keep human cashiers for them. AI can be used only for people who want to buy things quickly. In hospitals, AI can check medical reports faster, but doctors still meet patients, listen to them, and decide the treatment. Ethical concern with AI is misinformation. Misinformation means wrong or false information. In today's world of WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook, AI can spread misinformation very quickly if it is not careful. For example, today it is possible to create videos and images of famous people using AI. In these videos and images, they might be shown doing or saying something they never really did. Like a cricketer could be shown saying, "I'm quitting cricket forever," even though it is not true. Once such a video or image is put on social media, it can reach many people and the wrong information can spread quickly. Ethical AI must be made in a way that avoids creating misinformation. It should also help us find and stop it. And we must always check information before believing it. How can AI be made ethical? AI cannot truly understand ethics. AI does not have feelings like kindness, guilt, pride, or shame. It does not wake up in the morning and think, today I will try to be better. Kinder robot. It only follows patterns, rules, and instructions given by humans. If you tell an AI to always choose the tallest person for a sports team, it will do that every time, even if the shortest person is actually the most talented player. AI does not stop to think, maybe this is unfair. So we are the teachers and AI is our student. But how does one teach ethics to an AI? By giving it the right data, right patterns, and right rules while creating it. This can be done in several ways. First, rules. We can set clear rules for AI before it starts working. Just like the AI in a self-driving car is programmed to always stop when the traffic light is red, no matter what. Second, balanced data. We must give AI balanced data during its training. For example, if we train an AI to take voice commands, we should make sure it is not trained on voices of only one kind. It should be trained on voice commands of people from all genders, all ages, and different places. If an AI is trained only on adult voices, then in the real world it will not be able to understand commands from children. Third, testing. We must test AI carefully before allowing it to make important decisions in the real world. For example, if an AI is being made to read medical reports and suggest treatment, it should be tested by the experts. And the results should be checked for all different kinds of people before it is used in the real world. Fourth, updates. We must make regular updates for AI systems to fix mistakes and give them new information for better decision making. For example, for predicting weather, AI use past and present data to predict rain, storms, or sunny days. But climate patterns keep changing. If the AI is not updated with the latest data, its forecast could become less accurate. And this could make people make wrong decisions while going outside. Luciano Floridi's Principles for Ethical AI. Luciano Floridi is a British-Italian philosopher. After studying in detail how artificial intelligence works, he created a model of 5 principles for making AI ethical. The first is do good. It is important that AI should always be designed to improve the well-being of our planet and its people. For example, AI that helps doctors detect diseases early is doing good. The second principle is do no harm. This means AI should not cause harm to people, animals, or nature. For example, AI in a self-driving car should work to prevent accidents. AI should also not harm other important needs of people like privacy, safety, jobs, and more. The third principle is autonomy. This means AI should not have the power to control our choices. Even when AI is helping us, people should still make the important decisions about their own life. The fourth principle is justice. In AI ethics, justice means that AI should treat everyone equally. For example, AI used in scholarship selection should give all students the same chance. It should not be unfair. The fifth principle is be transparent. This means nothing should be hidden and the information be shared in a way that people can understand easily. If an AI makes a decision that affects people, they should be able to know how and why that decision was made. This helps us find mistakes and correct them. For example, if the scholarship selection AI chose students only from one town, we should be able to check how it made that choice and change it so it can select students more fairly next time. These 5 principles by Luciano Floridi can help AI to be ethical. They guide AI to be helpful, safe, fair, respectful, and open. If AI follows these rules, it can become a powerful tool that helps make life better for everyone. How to use AI ethically? Let's see what you can do to use AI in the right way. Even as kids, you have the power to make good choices. Think before you ask AI to do something. If it is something wrong, like lying, copying homework, or saying mean things about someone, don't do it. AI should be used to help, not to harm. Trust but verify. AI is smart, but it can still make mistakes. When you ask AI something, always check the answers you get. Be curious and ask where the AI might have found this answer from. If it tells you something that sounds strange, confirm it with a teacher, a parent, the internet, or someone you trust. Protect your personal information. Do not tell AI your home address, your school name, or private family details. Just like you wouldn't tell these things to a stranger, you shouldn't share them with AI without permission. Whenever you install an app, it might ask you for permissions like, can I access your camera? Or can I access your location? Some requests are necessary. For example, a map app really does need to know your location to guide you to your destination. But if a calculator app asks for your location, that is unnecessary. Then you should not give that permission. Spot bias. We have already learned how AI watches what we like and tries to show us more of those things. It could be YouTube videos or things we buy. So you should always pay attention if AI keeps giving you the same kind of video suggestions or the same kind of articles. Respect everyone and their privacy. Imagine you want to make a picture where a famous cricketer is shaking your hand. AI can do that for you. And it would even look real. But would it be ethical? No, it would not be. Because we do not have cricketer's permission to create his image. This would hurt his privacy. We should always take care to respect other people's privacy, no matter who they are. If you are making something with AI, a story, a picture, or a joke, make sure it is kind and not hurtful. Using AI with kindness makes the world better for everyone. Share what you learn. If you find a good, fair, and safe way to use AI, share it with your friends and teach them. This way, more people can use AI for good things. Even small steps from you can make a big difference. Because the future of AI is not just in the hands of scientists. It is also in your hands. Now, let us do a recap of what we learned today. In today's video, we learned that ethics means knowing what is right and what is wrong, and choosing to do the right thing, even when no one is watching. Ethics in AI has two sides. Ethics in making AI. This means companies, scientists, and the governments should follow good and fair ways when they make AI. Ethics in how AI works. This means that when people like us use AI, AI should make choices that are fair and good for everyone. We saw why ethics is important in AI. Because AI is everywhere. In maps, YouTube, farming, hospitals, and even in schools. If it makes mistakes in small things like suggesting a boring film, it's not a big problem. But in big things like medicine or self-driving cars, wrong decisions can hurt people. We also learned about ethical concerns with AI. Fairness and bias. AI must treat everyone equally and not favor one group. Privacy and data protection. Our personal information is like a diary. It must stay safe. Accountability. If AI makes a mistake, there must be someone responsible to fix it. Employment. AI should help humans in their jobs, not replace them completely. Misinformation. AI must not spread false stories, pictures, or videos. Then we explored how AI can be made ethical by setting clear rules, training with balanced data, testing carefully, and updating regularly. We also learned about Luciano Floridi's 5 principles. do good, do no harm, respect autonomy, justice, be transparent. Finally, we discussed what you can do as students. Think before asking AI to do something. Trust but verify AI's answers. Protect your personal information. Spot bias. Respect privacy. Share safe AI practices with your friends. You students have done great by listening, understanding, and following ethics in AI. I am proud of you. Goodbye, and I will see you in the next video.